Copy and paste with relative coordinates, dynamic input 3 in AutoCAD. When copying, if the dynamic input is set to 1 or 3, it will assume that it is the relative coordinates that the points will be taken from. In the example, the base point will be located at the bottom left of the square, which is positioned at coordinates 15, 15, 0. This corresponds to the XYZ axis. The box will be offset diagonally at 35, 35, 0. To get these coordinates, I will type in 20, 20, 0. As this is the relative coordinates, it does not need a symbol in front of it. The object will be pasted relative to the base point of the object. You can check by typing DYNM. This brings up the dynamic input and will give you the value it is set to. Change it to 3 if it is not set to 3. Select Object. Press C and 0 to bring up Copy from the command line menu. Hit Enter and it will ask to specify a base point. Enter 15, 15, 0 and enter. This has set the base point for the object to be copied. Now set the coordinates to paste. Press 20, 20, 0, then press Enter. The base point of the copied box is located at 35, 35 from the 000 coordinates. You will notice in the command line the @ symbol has automatically been placed before the X value of 20. When the dynamic mode is set to 3, it will assume that all values put into the command line will be set to the relative coordinates unless otherwise directed, i.e. hashtag to indicate absolute coordinates. Please subscribe, and if you find my videos helpful and would like to support me, you can by donating on Buy Me a Coffee, link in the description below. I appreciate your views and support. Thank you.